this brief introduction, I would like to thank and also to congratulate to all the organizers of this workshop for all their work that they have done to put together such an interesting program, bringing such a diverse and a specialized group of people. So I think that you will have a very nice and fruitful week. So yeah, thank you, and also yeah, congratulations. As you perhaps already know, the people from the Lorentz Center that will be working closely together with you during this week is Michelle Grandia, Claire Blaise, and Maria Krevers as the workshop coordinator. And my name is Eduardo Herrera Malatesta, and I am the scientific coordinator that has been also working together with organizers. So for the ones of you that are not familiar with the Lorentz Center, I will just want to briefly explain you what we are and what we do. So we are a national center that organizes scientific, interdisciplinary, international workshops. And we are, as I mentioned, a national institute, a national center, because we depend both from Leiden University and the NWO, which is the Dutch National Research Agency. But we are open to receive proposals for workshops, as you are clearly seeing, from people from all around the world. So we have a little more than 20 years of experience organizing workshops from a wide range of disciplines. Right now, we are working with 8 scientific advisory boards, which are mathematics, informatics, computational sciences, astronomy, life and medical sciences. We have a collaboration with the NIAS, which is the Dutch National Institute working with humanities and social sciences, physics as well. And in all these years of experience, we have learned very well what are the strategies in order to organize and create successful and highly productive workshops. And usually, besides, let's say, this crazy year of 2020 with the corona crisis, we organize 80 workshops per year. And now, of course, let's say as a positive note, we are expanding to the virtual workshop activities as we are doing today. So that's a plus of all these complex times. And as I mentioned before, the Lorentz Center, we welcome workshops that are dealing either with a mono, multi, or interdisciplinary topics. We provide support in developing your applications from the first contact, where you can just contact us to have a talk about an idea and how that idea can actually develop into a workshop, or either if you already have a very good idea and you want to apply, we will provide support for that, up to the point of, as I was just mentioning, with the workshop coordinators to the moment of the actual workshop. So we try to focus on highly interactive program in order to achieve the goals and the aims that you might have. And we also provide a small financial support for each workshops, which depends on the venue from the Lorentz Center that you are aiming to organize your workshop. And we have these 2 venues, which are our Ort venue, which holds up to 55 people, and the Snellius venue, which holds up to 25 people. Now, of course, due to the corona crisis, we have adjusted those numbers. So let's say until situations get improved in the world and in the Netherlands, those numbers are a bit less, but yeah, we are still welcoming people at our venues. So if you are interested in organizing your own Lorentz Center workshop, you just have to go to our website, lorentzcenter.nl, and click on the organized workshop. You will find all the necessary information in order to organize the workshop. And as in this particular case, this is the website of the workshop that you are participating. And as you can see, there will be information about the program, the participant list, the workshop files, and of course, information of the organizers, the workshop poster, which is kind of a trademark of the Lorentz Center. And also for this workshop, the organizer has developed an alternative website that you can, of course, check, and you probably already know about it. And so to close, just some technical information about the use of Microsoft Teams. Perhaps some of you are already experienced with this platform, some others don't, but just to recap, as you have seen just now, when you connected either with the browser application or the desktop one, on your left hand, you will see the information about general, the plenary presentation room, which is where we are right now, and a list of all the other breakout rooms, the coffee common room, and technical support. So every time you have a meeting, you just click in that, and then when you are already into that space, as you have already done it, you will see the option of join. And we want to stress that if you arrive early, please do not click the meet button on the top right corner, because then you will probably enter an alternative meeting and not the one that the organizers or the moderators of a particular breakout room will open. So just wait until either the organizers or the moderators open the session. So then you just directly click on join. That to avoid frustrations or being lost around. And also, just as in case you don't know, if on the left hand panel you don't see all the possible options, then you can just click on hidden channels and then activate the show button. So then you will have all the list of the breakout rooms and activities. So again, also some technical notes. Use the raise hand button in order to make yourself visible. If you want to ask a question, mute your microphone, of course, unless you are speaking. That to avoid the background noises that all of us has right now, since we are all at home. It is better to use the Microsoft Teams app, the desktop app, of course, in order to have the software more stable. And yes, and if you use a PC or a laptop, it is always better to plug your internet cable, because that will also, as you probably already know, give you more stability in your connections. So if you have trouble with your sound or camera, let's say the protocol to follow is to close the application and open it again and log in again. And if it doesn't work, then restart the computer and log in again. And still, if you have any problem or situation, you can check on the technical problems and help channel, and then write using the @support the query that you are having. So that's just in case you have any problems or situation. And of course, you can always contact the organizers or us. And then, I think that you have already been there, or most of you have already been there. So the breakout room is on Wonder, which is another platform. So on the Coffee at Common Room, you will find the link to the Wonder platform in order to connect there and have some informal conversations. For the ones of you that doesn't know, this is a very flexible platform. It's very nice. So you can have different meetings with different people by using the same platform. So if you check it out if you haven't already. But that was all for me. So I will wish you a very enjoyable week and success with your workshop. Thank you.